Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Tuesday as the U.S. government reached a tentative deal on border security funding. Shares of materials, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, as well as retailing sectors, they traded higher. On the economic front, the NFI Business Optimism Index declining to 101.2 in January, while advancers ahead of decliners, 82% of SP500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Akamai Technologies unveiling fourth quarter adjusted EPS of $1.07 versus 94 cents a year ago on revenue of $713.4 million. Net income jumping by 240% year over year to $94 million. Apple planning to hold a special event on March 5th at the Steve Jobs Theater on its Apple Park campus to focus on new subscription news services. This according to BuzzFeed. Meanwhile, turning overseas, Asian markets up today. The Nikkei up 1.34%, the Hang Seng up 1.16%, China CSI 300 up 0.2%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.5%. European markets trading higher and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have AIG, Marathon Oil, and Cisco Systems. While on the economic docket, we have January CPI figures month over month, as well as the December monthly budget statement. Now, taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 is where we begin. That sees further advance, and it's also in focus. Long positions above 27.42 are favored, with targets at 27.60 and 27.72 in extension, while the Nasdaq, that sees further upside, and the Dow Jones sees further advance.